How to invite a club in Brawl Stars. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can invite our friends or someone into a club in this Brawl Star video game. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to add someone into a club, there are certain requirements in Brawl Stars that you need to complete first in order to get the option of club in your Brawl Star. First thing is open up your app. After opening up your app, there are certain requirements as I said. So here, when you become some days older in the Brawl Star app, you will receive bunch of options on this side of the screen, at the right side of the screen here, and there you will be able to see a club option. So in order to access that club feature and invite your friends into Brawl Stars, you need to have at least 400 trophy. Right now you can see I only have 0, so you need to have at least 400 in order to access that feature in Brawl Stars. So therefore just reach up to 400 trophies into Brawl Stars. After that you will get that feature. Just go to the club feature and tap on invite. After that, just send the link or invite your friends to your Brawl Stars. So therefore, by following this method, you can invite someone on Brawl Star in club. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.